హలో సుమా సుమా హలో సుమా మై వాయిస్ ఈజ్ ఆడిబుల్ సుమా మై వాయిస్ ఈజ్ ఆడిబుల్ సుమా యువర్ వాయిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆడిబుల్ సుమా యువర్ వాయిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆడిబుల్ సుమా నీ వాయిస్ వినపడలేదు మీ మైక్ చూసుకోండి మీ మైక్ బ్లింక్ అవ్వట్లేదు యాక్చువల్గా మీరు మాట్లాడితే మైక్ బ్లింక్ అవుద్ది ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కదా నా మైక్ ఇక్కడ బ్లింక్ అవుతుంది చూడండి మీ మైక్ కూడా అలా బ్లింక్ అవ్వాలి ఆ 3 గ్రీన్ డాట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి బ్లింక్ అవ్వాలి ఒకసారి మైక్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి Yeah, Suma, now you try. Speak out. No?
Hello.
Yeah, Suma.
Sir,
Now it
can
is
you hear
audible.
me?
Yeah, yeah. Now your voice is audible.
Okay, sir. Shall I unmute or shall I keep my voice on, sir?
Yeah, when I start the class, that time you can mute yourself. Now
Okay.
let them join. If once join the students, maybe how many students are expected to join? Suma, any idea?
Uh, Lakshmi Keshwa madam said from civil engineering 74, sir,
Hmm.
and from mechanical 50, around 50, sir.
Then third year students also they can join, correct?
I don't know about that, sir, but madam said that only 75 students from civil engineering, sir. Whether it is from third year or final year, I don't know, sir. Correct information was not at.
Okay. So when we can start? We can start within 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Once.
We can start now itself, sir, because we have scheduled it from 2:30 to 3:30 now, sir.
Yeah.
After
Then
2:30, after 3:30, there is another session, sir.
yeah, structural analysis.
Yes, sir. So we can start now, sir.
Okay, then I'll start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, are you able to see my sharing window?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon to one and all. So today we are going to start the GATE 2021 coaching under the Prerna scheme for the civil and mechanical students. So myself, Dr. P. Paul Raju, I completed my PhD from IIT Madras, and I completed my MTech from IIT Guwahati. So right now I'm working at VIA Siddhartha in Civil Engineering Department as a senior assistant professor. So here I am to take the Strength of Material course, which is the most important course for both civil and mechanical. But mechanical, actually, there is a lot of weightage, around some 12 marks. So that details and all we will discuss it. So what I'm going to do today is the first class. What I'm going to do today, most general I'm going to speak like what are the changes in GATE 2021, what are the important dates, and what are the types of question pattern you are going to expect, and weightage of the marks, and even few points about the strategy, how to prepare for the GATE. So first class we will cover that, and slightly I'll touch upon the what is the typical syllabus of the strength of material. So that one we will discuss today for the 1 hour. This is a complete 1 hour. So what I request or suggest to the all students who are joining the GATE classes, be sincere. Please join on time whenever you have the classes, when you get the information from the concerned people. So do not misuse this. If they say 2:30, you try to join by even 5-10 minutes early. So if you are ready, we have to come and join. Actually, it's not that we are joining first and we are waiting for you. So that attitude you have to avoid. So that I request you all, please try to maintain the discipline, because the GATE examination or GATE preparation is something different than regular classes. Because once you are very sincere and once you prepare very seriously, once you crack the GATE examination, your total life will be changes. So that everything we are going to discuss today, point to point. And in my slides, I have included the syllabus of what is going to be there for the civil people also, like in all courses. But I'm going to cover and I'm going to teach strength of material for the both mechanical and civil point of view in the future. So let us start. Yeah, changes in the syllabus and pattern of GATE 2021. I don't know whether you know or not. This time, this 2021 GATE examination is going to conducting by IIT Mumbai. So those are conducting this time. So every year, one IIT they will share. Old IITs, 7 IITs are there, and only one ISC Bangalore. And there are new IITs are there. Maybe in the year of 2008, some bunch of IITs has been formed. Later on, slowly some other new IITs also has come. So now almost in every state we have one IIT, and NIT is also there. And you people, when you are coming to the BTech degree, you know what is meant by JEE mains, JEE advanced. Maybe in your time it was AIEEE. Now AIEEE changed it into JEE mains. So once you crack the JEE mains, you will be eligible to join in National Institute of Technology, NITs. Or if you are
ఫోన్ చేస్తే ఇద్దరం వస్తాం. దూరం నాకు కొంచెం ఫ్రీగా ఉంటుంది, వాతావరణం బాగాలేదు.
సరే, హైదరాబాద్ మాట్లాడదాం. హైదరాబాద్
చెప్తా ఫోన్ నేను టచ్ చేస్తాను.
సరే. Yeah, sorry, it's a small interruption. NITs are there, and if you crack the IIT JEE advanced, then you are eligible to join in IITs. So that's all about, I'm talking about BTech admission. But if you want to do the master's degree, the examination is graduate aptitude test in engineering. So it is very clear. We are going to discuss what are the changes in syllabus and pattern of GATE 2021. If you see the changes in GATE exam, first of all, changes in eligibility criteria change in application, change in pattern of questions, and change in syllabus. Okay, first thing, what is the change in eligibility criteria? There is no age limit. There is no age limit to appear for GATE 2021 examination. That is first eligibility criteria. And there is no attempts limits. So you can attempt a number of times. There is no limitation on this. And candidates are eligible even if they have backlogs also. GATE scorecard will be valid for 3 years. Maybe earlier it was only 2 years. Even when I written the GATE examination in the year of 2007, that time 150 marks, not 100 marks. That time there was no general aptitude. There was no any other like general aptitude or something, other subjects. Only technical mathematics. So that time 150 marks paper. Now it is reduced to 100 marks. So however, the GATE score, once you get the GATE rank, the GATE scorecard will be valid for the 3 years. Yeah, this information. Eligibility criteria is, of course, it's most relaxed now. A candidate who is currently studying in the 3rd year, yeah, this is the 2021 one great advantage. That is why from both 3rd years and BTech final years can attempt the examination now. So these 3rd year students who are there in now 3rd year 3-1, when you move to the 3-2 only, you will attempt the examination. So you will be receive the rank and everything by March, and in the month of April, if it is everything is regular, I am talking. So worst condition, by considering this pandemic situation also, your examinations and everything will be completed by 2021 May. Then you crack the GATE rank, and in your hand GATE score is there, but you only just completed the 3rd year. You can wait up to 4th year. That means this is the criteria you can see in the box. So expected year of completion is 2022. Also you can go and check. So based on your rank and based on your choice and your aspiration, you can plan and you can apply for the different places like IITs, NITs. Even under that also there are some state government institutions are there, like JNTU, Andhra University, SV University, like Usmania, like that. Okay. This is of course Usmania combined state. Now it is belongs to Telangana. And 3rd year or higher years of any undergraduate degree program, or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering or technology, architecture, science and commerce, art is eligible to appear for GATE 2021 examination. Change in application. 2 new subjects papers are introduced now. That is environmental science and engineering. Another one is humanities and social sciences in economics and English, linguistics, philosophy, psychology and sociology. Of course, this is general information for you. Yours belongs to engineering actually. So there are total number of subjects papers are 27. And one more great opportunity and great flexibility they have given now. That is, either you can attempt civil engineering or even architecture and planning and both civil engineering. You can have 2 at a time. So if anybody have any queries on this or what I'm going to explain everything today, so please type it in the chat box. At the end of the session, the questions will be addressed. 1 or 2 subject papers allowed. 2 paper combinations have to be chosen from the given list of combinations of papers. Final allotment of 2 papers will still be subjected to availability of infrastructure and dates. Change in pattern of questions. Fully computer-based test. Number of questions 10 general aptitude, 55 subject. There are total 65 questions. General aptitude 15 marks are there. Engineering mathematics 13 marks. Subject questions 72 marks. So all put together 100 marks. And all of the questions will be of 1 marks or 2 marks. All test papers of GATE 2021 will be entirely objective type. And pattern of questions may include like this. Multiple choice questions. Of course, as you know that there are 4 options A, B, C, D like this. And numerical answer type, there are no any options. So that I will explain each and everything, each and every one separately. Now, what is the new thing actually? Multiple select questions, that is MSQ questions also are included in this GATE 2021. First one, multiple choice questions. The sequent depth ratio of a hydraulic jump. This is one example I am giving. Of course, it is related to civil engineering stream point of view. I taken the one example. The sequent depth ratio of a hydraulic jump in a rectangular channel is so and so value 16.48. The fraud number to which at the beginning of the jump is. Okay. Hydraulic machines also there for the, of course, mechanical. So you can understand the both fluid mechanics and H&HM, that is common for both mechanical and civil. So the fraud number through which at the beginning of the jump is. So like this, there are 4 options are there. In these 4 options, C is the correct answer. And what are the note? Negative marks are there for 1 mark. For suppose this question is for 1 mark. If you given a wrong answer, and there will be a punishment, that is 1/3 of that 1 mark. That means whatever you got the marks for other questions, the reduction will be there from this due to this punishment. So that is 0.33. And this question is for suppose 2 marks question and you attempted wrongly, and there is a punishment of 2/3. That is 0.66 actually. Not 0.66. It's a wrong typing. It's a 0.66. Then numerical answer type. The sequent depth of ratio, same question, but there are no options. You can see the fraud number through which at the beginning of jump is directly you have to write 10. And sometimes you may get 10.52 like that. But if they give ranges like 10 to 11, that is there in your mind. Okay, the values will be 10 to 11. So if you put rounded value 10 also, the marks will be awarded for you. What are the important notes here? No options first of all. Straight away guessing and remembering the value and calculate by using calculation. That too, you see, you will not be allowed. You will not be allowed calculator. You must be well practiced by going to the online practicing modules. You have to practice because, as I told you, GATE examination, fully computer-based examination. Unless until you are not having practice, you prepared well in your home, in your room, or wherever. You prepared well as per very pakka strategically prepared, but you have not done much practice on how to write the online examination. So that time you will face a lot of problem. So especially virtual calculator also, how to use you must know. So that is like IIT's websites that is available. You can approach those websites, how to use the virtual calculators for calculating the values of the particular answer. And you know the formula and you know everything, but you don't know how to calculate the things. Next one is no negative marks. No negative marks for this because it's like a purely guessing. Because if we have the 4 options are there like MCQ, there will be one idea, one guessing will be given. So the priority of the choosing of the questions, will be possible in the MCQ questions. Whereas NAT, numerical answer type questions, no negative marks because it's directly value entering into on the given dash. Next, multiple selection questions. These questions are objective in nature and each will have choice of 4 answers, out of which one or more than one choices may be correct. They carry either 1 or 2 marks each in all papers and sections. See, there will be no negative marking and there will be no partial marking as well. What is the meaning of no negative marking? It's similar to numerical numerical answer type questions, NAT. Here there are no negative marking, but what is meant by partial marking means, as it is clearly mentioned in the first bullet point, there are 4 options like MCQ, but in that 4 options, 2 answers are correct for that question. 2 answers you must select, then only you will get the full marks. Otherwise 0 marks and no negative marks. If you are apting one question that is correct, maybe one answer that is correct, maybe, but you will not be awarded 50% marks or 25% marks. That is the meaning of partial marking as well. Partial marking of that question. Most important, easy scoring questions these are, because one example I have taken here. I think both students, both mechanical and civil students may understand this. See, you have a one press member here with one side is hinge and another side is roller. You know how to calculate the static indeterminacy, both internal and external. The pin jointed plane frame given in the figure below. Internal, the options are internally determinate, internally indeterminate, externally determinate, and externally indeterminate. So for this, what is the solution? You see, for calculating the internal indeterminacy, the formula is number of members minus 2 into number of joints plus 3. If it is this value, if you are getting 0, so this member is internally determinate. Determinate means what? You can analyze this member by using the equation of equilibriums, correct? By using the equation of equilibriums. What are those? Summation of all horizontal forces equals to 0. That is nothing but a summation of x equals to 0, summation of fx equals to 0. Like that people will use. Otherwise, summation of h equals to 0. The nomenclature, the designations are different from one book to another book, one author to another author. The basic thing will not miss. Correct? So next, what is the meaning of another one? What is another equation of equilibrium? Summation of all vertical forces are equals to 0. That is summation of y equals to 0, summation of fy equals to 0, otherwise summation of v equals to 0. V indicates vertical, h indicates horizontal. What is the next another equation of equilibrium? Movement at any point are equals to 0. That means hinge, there is no movement, 0 movement. Roller, there is no movement. Whereas fixed connection, you have a movement. So based on this, the equation of equilibriums are there. Why we are making it to 0? The equilibrium, we have to maintain the equilibriumity. That is why we are making it to 0. So once you get the relation here, given here, static indeterminacy, internal indeterminacy, by using this relation, if you get the 0, then this particular structural system is internally determinate. That is why the answer has been selected internally determinate, but how it has been done, you can see here. There are 9 members, correct? You can count it 1, 2, 3 like that, wherever the cutoffs are there, cuts are there, red markers. Then 2 into joints are 6 are there, 2 into 6, 12 plus 3. So all put together, you are getting 0. So it is internally determinate. But what about externally determinate formula relation? Total number of unknown reactions minus 3. Minus 3 is nothing but a equation of equilibriums. Those are actually constant. Those you cannot change. Only this r minus 2 also will come sometimes. You should not get confused. When it will come r minus 2? When you ignore the horizontal translations. That means horizontal rotation or horizontal reaction when you are not considering in both equation point of view and even action point of view, then we no need to consider that r minus 3. it will become a R minus 2. That time here also you should not consider the horizontal reaction. When it is 3, you must consider in R wherever horizontal reactions are coming, you must consider. It is a hinged support. You will be having one vertical and horizontal reactions over here. That is nothing but a restraints or constraints. And for roller, you have a vertical reaction. All put together, how many? 3. So R here is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is and directly externally determinate. So like this, you must select the both answers. If you only selecting one answer like A and you are expecting marks, means you may not get the marks. That is the meaning of partially not no marking. Then I'm moving on the change in syllabus. You can see the GATE 2021 engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics will be, I think, similar for the all category of students. This is GATE 2021. For comparison purpose, it has been taken directly. And linear algebra like ODEs and PDEs are there, like even probability statistics and numerical methods like that. But if you see the GATE 2021, there are some modifications and removal of syllabus. Majority they are trying to removing the syllabus only, like what is the present usage in the market, what the people are expecting now. Why this word I'm talking? GATE is not only meant for now for doing the master's degree in IITs or NITs or somewhere. GATE now it is most important for even to get the PSUs, central jobs, PSU jobs. Okay, what that UPSC conducting. So like NTPC, like even if you want to get the like WAPCOs, these all very good central level organizations are made compulsory, and they are recruiting the employees through GATE only. If you have GATE rank and you don't want to do the master's degree, you can go to the job. And even L&T, they are very advanced, I would say, in India, top 10 company. So they are quite forward actually. What they are doing, they are recruiting the employees through GATE who are having very good GATE rankers and who are the very good aspirants. And they are offering they are giving the one program into the different IITs by tie-up with the IITs, especially in Madras. I observed that, of course, in all IITs that program is there. So L&T, through L&T, you will be studying the maybe construction management or whatever you have. The structural engineering also, if you want to have, you can have, and they will take care of everything. And at final, after going back, you have to work. There will be some agreement with the L&T people. So like that, programs are also there. Okay, but that means your job will be there. Like job security will be there. In addition to that, they are preparing you for the master's degree, and they are giving like a training with the IITs. In IITs, see, your dream is want to study in IIT, but you didn't get it. But you are getting only NIT, but you got the job in L&T. How you got the job in L&T? You are only NIT level candidate, and IIT level people only will get the job in L&T. No, not like that. In L&T, VR Siddhartha level student also can get. According to me, all students are same. For suppose, we'll take the one example about you only. See, you might have tried before you joining the BTech in any college. Maybe take example of VRS Siddhartha, otherwise KL University or even Vignan University. You might have tried IIT, JEE and all. Somehow it was not, it was not a good time for you. Like the 3 hours only, it's a very effective time. You prepared well, but the effective 3 times you have not performed well, and you didn't crack the JEE. And you were also aspirant of the IIT and even minimum NIT, but you didn't get it. But you don't want to waste the academical year. You don't want to wait the academic year. That's why you joined in some college. But if you get the rank and if you're there in IIT, you're also IITian. So that is, according to me, all are same. Who are there in IIT now and who are not there in IIT, every people's mind level is same. The only thing is usage of your mind. The only thing is your premises, like how your surrounding premises are influencing your daily life or daily your learning style. Okay, obviously, you see, when you are studying and when you are staying with the that kind of people, your way of thinking also will be like that. If you are staying with high level people and if you're staying with very intelligent people, and your way of thinking also will be in intelligent side. So like that, I can distinguish and I can classify the difference between the student types. Okay. Anyhow, this is the common engineering syllabus, engineering mathematics syllabus for everybody 2021. And what they removed actually in the 2022. See, these are the red lines, and they have removed like Laplace transformations and in applications and Gauss-Green's theorems like Poisson's and binomial distribution. But here, this red green color, why it is showing green color means in the 2021 Poisson's only it is there, binomial distribution is not there. But unless until binomial distribution, if you are not doing, and how you can do this Poisson distribution and also, that is why it's like a linking. Change in syllabus they just shown, but it will be there. It will be there automatically. Inherently, the syllabus will be there in the syllabus, but officially they may not show in the paragraph saying that the syllabus is removed like that. But indirectly, without doing the binomial theory, but it's a linking. Unless until you don't know that concept, you can't do this concept like that. So that is why don't assume that the syllabus completely removed and don't give up on this. And this is, of course, structural engineering point of view means civil engineering point of view. I included like engineering mechanics, solid mechanics means strength of metal is there for you also, like bending moment and shear force, and these and all civil engineering point of view I included, and structural analysis and construction management and concrete structures and steel structures like this. And what these all red marks are like removed one, and what is fresh one? This is fresh one for 2021. Likewise, like geotechnical, it's a most important course for the civil engineering students, and most important course for the mechanical is like machine designs as well as strength of metal. Strength of metal weightage is there for around 12 marks, 10 plus or minus 2 marks. Whereas for the civil engineering students, 5 plus or minus 2 marks. That means 6 to 7 like that. There is some table also I have included, but up to 2017 only I have included, not 18 and even 19. I was not like focusing on that last 2 years actually. I just completely in some other way, but I have included the previous years. You can get the one some idea. So this is all about geotechnical and water resource engineering. There are plenty of changes. Please notice this. And of course, after geotechnical, for the civil engineering students, another important course is environmental engineering. And of course, water resource I have shown you, and this is environmental. And finally, 2021 environmental engineering and transport engineering also another third priority subject. And fourth priority subject is strength of metal for the civil engineering students, and geomatics engineering is nothing but a surveying actually. But what I suggest you try to ignore this photometry, grammetry and all. These are advanced topics. Unnecessarily it will give the confusion in the examination. You try to prepare the basic level of surveying that may cover even 2 to 3 questions, 2 to 3 marks. That will be sufficient. Okay, main focus on geotechnical, environmental, transportation, and strength of metal. These 4 are the, even another one is hydrology also. These 5 are the major important courses to get the rank in GATE. Whereas for the mechanical students, strength of metal, machine designs, like of course I'm a civil engineering faculty, but who are aspirants of the GATE examination, they are having an idea and they are fully planned about the how to prepare the GATE examination. But in the further slides I have included what are the strategies, general strategies for any student, irrespective of the stream, for any student, how to use the strategy to prepare for the GATE examination, and depends on your aspirancy. Like you are a aspirant of high level aspirant, medium level aspirant, low level aspirant. So like that categories are there. For that, how to prepare step by step have been covered here. You can see that. Okay. Anyhow, before going into that, the another one is important date for GATE to 2021. That is closing date of regular online registration application portal is 30th September. So speed up, this month end only you have a that application date. Then end of extended period for online registration is maybe after that 7 days with a late fee. Next, last date for change of category, paper and examination city and additional fee will be applicable 13th November. That means now you were there in the Hyderabad, but you are belongs to Vijayawada. So due to this pandemic, you struck up there, maybe in Mumbai and or somewhere. Right now, you are thinking that my center is Mumbai only, but everything suddenly or maybe otherwise settled. Means everything now cleared for suppose this pandemic situation. Now you wanted to change the center, so that time we can change the examination center. Even papers, as I told you, primary paper is as a civil and secondary paper is as a say architecture and something else you want to select. Because if you are writing both papers, what is the advantage? You can take the any stream like differently because of selection of the two papers. And category and paper, change of category and paper, examination city. Additional fee will be applicable. This is up to 13th November. Okay, yeah, you can draw here. This is 13th November. Yeah. Availability of admit card on the online application portal is 8th January 2021. Correct? 8th January 2021. Next. Important dates for GATE 2021. GATE 21 examination, they are planning on 5th February. This is tentative dates only because it is subjected to pandemic situation of present corona, COVID-19. So it may changes or it may be as it is. But this time they are giving number of days, and first time they are conducting on Fridays also. Generally, as of now, they have been conducted only Saturdays and Sundays only. But why they have given number of days? Because of the number of applications they are going to expect this time. Third year students also they are going to write this time, because the awareness, the anxiety, the aspiration should be there for everybody who are going to preparing for the GATE examination. Then only this will come. అంటే నేను తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే అండి, I just wanted to use a few words in Telugu. కసి తపన ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు మేబీ ఎంతమంది చేరారో కూడా నేను చూడలేదు, బికాస్ ఐ హావ్ షేర్డ్ మై డాక్యుమెంట్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యాజ్ పర్ మేడమ్స్ లిస్ట్ అండ్ కౌంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ 74 and mechanical 55. What students may think, it's not that we are conducting, you should come in order challenge gani, but why do you want to miss this free oriented GATE coaching? Whatever we have the knowledge, what we have learned in different IITs, and of course my experience, I am going to share here, like interaction session. Basically this is like, even if you have any queries and if you have any doubts, that is also we will discuss it. So this one, if you go to any like coaching center, if you go anywhere, along with so many people, you are going to doing this. And now that too, in this pandemic situation, where you will go, where you will walk through the centers of ASR, any MEDZ or some other GATE Academy, the GATE Academy, whatever you take, Sai Meda, whatever the names of the coaching centers. This is the best mode, because once you crack the GATE rank, I am telling you, you will be somewhere. Your level of thinking and your level of growth will be totally different from now. What is your present form? And once you get the GATE rank, your present form will be changes 10 times than the present form. I am telling you. That is a best example. I am only the best example. So when I was completed my BTech not from even Andhra, combined Andhra, I completed my BTech from Maharashtra. So where not our language, not our food, not our nativity, lot of far distance from the Andhra Pradesh, from Vijayawada especially. So I don't know anything about the Marathi or Hindi language that time. So I struggled a lot to do my BTech degree from there. But I was just like, I would say, I was at the cellar when I cracked the GATE examination in the year of 2007. I attempted on the February 2nd Sunday. Every time they used to conduct like that. After that, I just suddenly I climbed up to 10 floors like straight away. So this is the best example I can tell you, my dear students. So please don't misuse this. And when you're entering using this Google Meet link, you should not come out from the Gmail. That is also one idea, whether you know or not. If you're coming out from the Gmail, it will disconnect. And try to ensure one very good strength of internet. And every week, only weekends only, your gate classes are going to be happening. Be ready and try to be ready with your one notes and pen also, and try to note down what faculty members are teaching. Not only my course, there are so many courses are going to deal by different faculty members. So try to take this opportunity in a very good way. Don't misuse, and try to give the encouragement to both organizers as well as the faculty members who are taking very seriously from your end. And this is 5th February and 6th February, 7th February, maybe primary paper, that is civil or mechanical paper. And 12th and 13th and 14th, what I have talking about the secondary paper, that may fall in these dates actually. An announcement of results in the online 22nd March 2021 application portal. Key factors for success in GATE. I have included these. It may help you very quickly. I'll try to wind up by within 20 minutes. So we are running short of time actually. Key factors for success in GATE is, first thing is strategic planning. That means how to study. For that, strategic planning is most important. Then next one is effective study. Your strategic planning is okay, but you are not studying effectively, then you can't crack the GATE examination. So these two key factors are the most important to success in the GATE. That is also I'm telling you, that is depends on your aspiration. See, there is one student topper and he is just targeting only ISC Bangalore. That means what is the example? ISC Bangalore, after completion of the GATE examination every year, they will collect the data from GATE Guru or who are the conducted the respective IIT who has given the what I can say that hosting IIT. They will collect the data who got the 1 to 5 rankers. 1 to 5 rankers. In 1 to 5 rankers, compulsory one Telugu fellow will be there and one Malayalam fellow will be there. It's common, compulsory, every year, compulsory, up to 5 rankers. So up to 5 rankers they will collect it, and they will directly send a mail to the 5 rankers saying that for you seat has been MTech, whatever the stream you want, it has been confirmed. Please come and join. And remaining seats they will fulfill through as per regular counseling actually. So this is what they do, direct offer. There is no any further counseling for them. Even you don't know, at the time of 2007 when I returned my GATE examination, after getting GATE examination, getting into IITs again, it's a challenging thing. Again they will conduct interview. That time there is no direct counseling. Based on your rank, you can't go and sit in directly an IIT or NIT. They used to conduct the interviews. They used to ask so many questions. They used to like squeeze us, torture us to crack the again interview in the IITs. Then only they'll take the they will take into their IITs in the form of admissions actually. So strategic planning and effective study are the both are most key factors. What is meant by strategic planning? So categorization of students to adopt appropriate planning. High level aspirants are there. Those are comes under above average with good academic standards. That means their foundation is very good, like basics, fundamentals. I am telling you, even this whole GATE coaching sessions and the whole program which is offering under the Prerna scheme, it should not be wasted in any way. You may not get the GATE rank. Don't worry about that. But whatever you learned, it may helpful somewhere, like for PSC examinations or for any interview purpose, or maybe ABPSC, Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission conducting an exam, but you prepared GATE examination, that whole knowledge will help you. You think like that. You should not give up on anything. You do your part. Rest of the thing you do. God, generally we used to use that word, no? God. You give to that, but prepare very sincerely. Do very good hard work, and your hard work will not go anywhere. It will come back to you. You are going to have that. I'm telling you. So Medium level aspirants means those who are having average academic standards. So that is their strategy is something different. And low level aspirants means who are very lazy, like very stubborn, lethargical, and those who are very below average academic standard people, and who are having less time also comes under the low level aspirants. Good student, but they are having only very short term time because of their financial commitments. All he is supposed to do job, but he is very good student. But he wanted to prepare for the get his own, but he's having only 40 days in his hand or 30 days in his hand. But what is my suggestion by looking by from this slide actually, whatever you start the preparation, start from now onwards very seriously as per schedule. Proper schedule you have to prepare. So that is also have been covered. You can see that. What is the strategic planning? Understand the syllabus and exam pattern. First of all, understand the syllabus first. That means go to the engineering mathematics. In the engineering mathematics, gunshot last 10 years. If you take the previous solid papers of the GATE, eigenvalues like matrices, something, those are compulsory questions. You try to capture those ideas, tips. Those questions only give more concentration, more preparation time, so that you can easily select the direct answer in the examination without losing of negative marking. You can get the good marks in the mathematics subject. Like that, you have to target the syllabus, each and every syllabus. That is only understanding of the syllabus. Next, exam pattern. As I told you, how many MCQs will come, and that too, how many types of general aptitude will come. In the general aptitude, again I am telling you, in the general aptitude, what is the they are going to cover? Like verbal thing one. Then next one is like you writing for the GR, like small arithmetic kind of things will come. Like verbal kind of thing means like how to write the missing paragraphs, wordings, and how to read the paragraph. Like IELTS, when you prepare for the IELTS, what kind of experience you will have, the same thing will be there. That is there for around 10 marks. Whereas 10 questions. The remaining questions, 55 questions are for the like technical subject oriented questions. So that first you focus on that, understand the syllabus and the exam pattern, and prioritize the subjects according to weightage of marks. For mechanical, strength of metal is most concentration, then another machine designs, etc. etc. For civil engineering, most priority, first priority is geotechnical, next priority is environmental, third priority is transportation, fourth priority is strength of material, fifth priority is hydrology, like that. So that list also have been included here. And gather the relevant study material. You must gather first, either maybe Made Easy. You won't purchase the Made Easy solid papers, which is available from the Diamond Bookstall of the Alankar Center or Lenin Center of the Vijayawada. You can collect the first best material, and don't use in the material directly pen. Try to use pencil, mark it, solve first with your own, and again rough it, and again repractice it. Okay, even when it comes to closer, your examination comes to very closer, you have to practice number of times, n number of times. You have to recall the refresh the concepts of the what you have been studied. If you study one time and again if you close the books and if you open them after 2 to 3 months, you can't remember anything. Make a systematic timetable of preparation. That means Monday, don't give only one subject. Try to give 2 to 3 subjects. Monday, say mechanical, strength of metal and machine designs, even some other thermal subject or some other design subject, or maybe robotics or mechatronics, something like that, say. And civil engineering students study environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, like that. You try to give 2 to 3 courses. You should not get bored while preparing. And after making systematic timetable, you should stick on to that. You should not postpone again your timetable into because of your so many priorities. Okay, let me do it tomorrow. I have some other function today, and let me watch movie today. These are all, it will give a lot of disturbance to you. What is another important point to you, that you must avoid. You must avoid this all usage of WhatsApp, other some social kind of activities like Facebook and all. This will give a lot of distraction, like diversion to the your way of preparation. Then strategic planning, syllabus point of view, if you see, understand the syllabus is general aptitude is 15 marks, maths is 10 to 12 marks, and technically is 73 to 75 marks. So all put together 100 marks are there. And understand the exam pattern is computer-based online test, multiple choice questions and numerical answer type questions. 1 and 2 marks, 65 questions are there, and 3 hours of time. Negative marks, 33% for wrong answers. Held in January last week or February first week generally. Around 1.29 lakh students appeared in civil engineering in 2017. Okay, that means the competition you see, this time how many students are going to attempt? There are students, you don't underestimate your junior actually. The third year student, their IQ levels may be more than you, IQ levels very faster, but they are year-wise, they are lesser. And you don't think that they have not studied this course, how they can crack. If they prepare any material, they can understand better than you. So that person also competitor for you. For you is only very, very hard. You must settle by this year only. For him, there is one more year. For him, option is there. For you, no option. If you are not getting anything, even including 10,000 rupees salary job also, you must be on road actually. You will be on road, I am telling you. What you will do? You will do 24 hours by 7 at the home. Maybe 8 hours you will sleep. Remaining what you do at the home, you can't do unless until you don't have the job or you don't have any master's degree study by cracking the GATE examination. You will be big zero. I am telling you. Okay, so be cautious about these all things. Be serious. Take very serious preparation and very honest preparation. Give from your end very 100%. Then rest of the thing leave it to something. Okay. Then strategic plan, 75 to 80% of the marks are for numerical problem type questions. 20 to 25 marks are for theoretical questions. Okay. Numerical based type means majority, if you observe last in all GATE examinations, 75 to 85 marks are they are giving on numerical based questions only. That means you must use virtual calculator. You must practice the simple problems like simple empirical formulas, not heavy derivations. Derivations you don't need to practice, only simple empirical expressions. But that empirical expression, how it has come, there will be one simple concept. What is the basic concept? Examples I have taken, of course, I will explain you. Like void ratio is there, VV, maybe VD, specific gravity, specific weight. These and all little bit derivations are there. How it has arrived, that you must remember in your mind, so that you can easily attempt this examination. And what is the pattern? Pay special attention on numerical problems. Correct? Because of this coverage for both any branch people, this is mostly observed. 20 to 25 marks are only for theoretical questions. And this is one of the cutoff criteria of the 16-17 year, general, OBC and SC/ST. Generally, this is also one of the advantage for you all. So make use of this advantage. And all India first rankers, what they got marks actually. Okay, 92.97, 87.86, like that they got. So competition and everything you see. Maybe 87.86 to 2016 time means paper was very, very tough. 92.97 out of 100 I am talking about this. And these are the different subjects: geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, and transport engineering. Like how many marks are like distributed. But if you talk about the strength of metal for the civil engineering people point of view, maximum in 2017 it has gone up to 7 marks only. Again 16 4 marks and 15 5 marks. Likewise, the priorities that there are total 13 subjects are there. And these 5 are the most priority for the civil engineering point of view. First 5, as I told you already. And follow the effective way of study for GATE. Read the theoretical concepts of a topic thoroughly, understand them and memorize. Then try to solve the available numerical problems and also all the previous GATE questions on the topic before proceeding to the next topic. That means if you take the simple stress and strains, now we are going to start maybe in the next class. Today's class, I am going to wind up with this general discussion. And next class, when we are going to start the simple stress and strains, in that once you completed the whole thing, you must practice the previous GATE papers. So for that, I have GATE material. I will show you the even one few examples also. You make use of that and take that and even try to practice yourself and come up with any doubts. And then try to solve the study material of AS Academy is designed accordingly. That means this is Association of Civil Engineering is there. Yes, it's very popular. Started by Andhra person Gopal Krishna Garu. Is a civil engineer actually. Designed accordingly. Previously, GATE questions are segregated topic wise. Revise the theoretical concepts at regular intervals of time. Prepare a brief notes containing all the relevant theoretical concepts if required. It will be very useful for quick revision. Follow the effective way of study for GATE. Take seriously and honestly the online test series for practice, and time management is also most important. The particular time, stipulated time, 3 hours time, you have to complete your examination. Again, you have to avoid the negative marking. So there are so many strategies. Some people, they may not attempt all questions because if they don't know that question 100% in 4 directions, you must to satisfy that I know this answer pakka correct, 100% correct. Then only you have to give the answer. By temptation, if you give the wrong answer, automatically whatever the correct answers, you will lose from the correct answer marks also. Take online test series of AS Engineering Academy. Maybe you have to register in this actually. Most toppers appreciated ACE online test series actually. Any test series you take and try to adapt the how to write the online test actually. First of all, be serious. Just like that, okay, Prerna scheme is offering with free of mode that to some college people this pandemic situation. Don't take like a one jovial and like very casual way. Be serious. Whatever you take, learn this much, but be take very serious so that it will be helpful to you. And follow the effective way of study for GATE. Take seriously and honestly. Of course, this is the portal. And suggestions: use only the given values of G and gamma W in the questions. That means acceleration due to gravity. Sometimes they make you 9.81 and sometimes they make you 10. If they give 10, take 10. 9.81 if you take, it is as actually when at the time of learning, 9.81 only my faculty member was taking. Even I took like that. They give the marks in their examination. But GATE is not like that. You must take the whatever they have given the data in the given question. Try to have good practice with virtual calculator. That's what I was telling from starting onwards. Because whatever you have MX 9 and 1, FX 9 and 1 calculators will not be allowed. Your physical calculators will not be allowed. Virtual calculator only. You have to practice. Prepare at least 2 or 3 subjects daily if possible. Give regular breaks in the study after every 2 or 3 hours of continuous study. Breaks have a burning desire to derive energy. Avoid distractions like social networks and focus on the target. Do some regular physical exercise and maintain good health. Be optimistic and don't get demotivated. That means don't discourage yourself. Be optimistic. Okay, I'm preparing. I didn't get it. This knowledge may be useful for some other like that. You think. Then types of questions to be practiced. Theoretical questions, simple statements, matching type like that. Short numerical problems, 1 to 4 minutes. Avoid lengthy numerical problems. Avoid lengthy derivations, but focus on assumptions and principles. Okay, focus on short derivations which involve fundamental and basic concepts. Like types of questions to be practiced. You can see this question is direct. Poisson ratio everybody knows. Data strain by Langlands strain. Correct? Lateral strain by Langlands strain. That means B is the correct answer. Lateral strain by axial strain. Langlands is nothing but axial strain. So this is straight away GATE 12. It is asked actually 1 more question. This kind of questions you can study directly. And theoretical questions also, width of carriageway for a single lane road is recommended to be. This is also 7.5. Sorry, 3.75. Half of that. So you have to remember like that. And another type, this is actually numerical answer type question, but by using this formula, you can get this answer, correct? This empirical expression you can remember directly because the data, everything has been given in the question. And this is theoretical question. You see statement type. In the design of welded tension members, consider the following statements. The entire cross-sectional area of the connected leg is to be contributed to the Effective area in case of angles, two angles back to back and back tack welded as per code requirements may be assumed to behave as a T section. The true statements are only 1 and 2, only 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. So answer is D. Like that, you have to go for the theoretical question types. And again, theoretical questions type matching, you see group 1 and group 2, BOD and MPN like that. So how to match this? So these kind of questions also most important. And another short numerical problems like using this small what I can say principal stresses, you can directly get the answer. And short numerical problems, again some rainfall kind related data. See, for using rainfall, if you remember this graph, actually you can do these all things. You should not again fear that is a very lengthy thing. It's like a linking actually. If you only remember one thing, automatically everything will be automatically comes. So this kind of questions also you should not leave. It's a one kind of strategy actually. And avoid lengthy numerical problems. You see this? This question has been covered in engineering services in the year of 2008 actually. For the 20 marks they have given, everything full procedure they have to do. But this kind of questions they may give, but they may not ask in the gate examination to do the whole procedure, because in the gate examination you may get only two minutes or 1 minute time. So in that they may ask particular inside things like what is happening at the B and C like that. Okay, C waste containing like this kind of things also. And but you focus on this kind of direct problems like formulas. What is the formula for the deflection cantilever at the end point load like that. And avoid lengthy derivations, but principles you must remember. See, principle, this is what is principle, plane sections remains plane like that, strain profile is linear like that, you must remember this. And avoid lengthy derivations, but focus on assumptions and principles involved. So this is the geotechnical engineering, this is the basic syllabus, but I will go into the directly strength of metal actually simple stresses, complex stresses, shear force diagrams and bend moment diagrams, pure bending, shear stresses, torsion, slopes and deflections, columns and struts, propped and fixed beams, strain energy. For that, what are the textbooks? Timoshenko and Gere, Beer and Johnson, Vajran and Ratwani. Okay. Of course, this is hydrology and Chaitra analysis. Again, RCC, FM, surveying, okay, irrigation, steel structures, and engineering mechanics like that. So what is finally I want to say, follow relevant study material, standard textbooks for each subject, previous gate questions with solutions, previous EC object review, and engineering services papers also you can practice. Short numerical problems of conventional papers, some of NPTEL lectures, Age Engineering Academy study material. And make a timetable of preparation, make realistic timetable of preparation which suits you in a best manner. Try to have at least 3 revisions before the final exam. Try to stick on to the timetable. Thank you. Okay. See, with this, I would like to wind up today's session. Already I took extra 5 minutes extra. Okay. So I hope 21 students joined. Okay, it's a very like